Something fun, something positive, and it's all for you. My shower idea, ba-da-da, ba-da-da.
Welcome to my shower idea. It's Fashion Friday, so I'm doing the inspiration outfit. Yay! And Tessa's doing kind of the how-to tips on how to wear cardigans. So yeah. So for the inspiration outfit, I just have some jeans on, and I have a really cute bow sweater. See, sparkly. And then I have a really cute, like, train conductor hat. See, all the pink and gray goes with the pink and black. And then my favorite part of the outfit, the boots! See, look at it. Look at that. Look how cute they are. This outfit's good for weather now because it's super rainy. So now, it's just a long sleeve to keep you warm, and a hat to keep the rain out of your face, and boots to keep it off your feet.
Welcome to my shower idea. It's Fashion Friday, and I'm giving you tips about how to wear cardigans. And cardigans are nice for not extreme weather, but just kind of cold weather where you want to wear something warm and comfy, but still cute. So this is one of my favorite cardigans, and I wore it today and moved up to the front like this. And every once in a while I would just do one button and it would kind of cascade like this.
Oh, so pretty.
Sometimes you can do like buttoned all the way up and it'll look more cascadey, like this. And sometimes,
Ooh,
yeah, like this.
That's cute.
And I haven't ever like buttoned it up all the way.
Like
I
a button.
suppose you could.
It's actually
And have like
cute.
a necklace come down, maybe.
That's really cute.
And I don't wear it like this very often, but
Oh, yeah.
popular back in the day was to wear it back here and tie it in the front. So it's kind of old school, and it's a little cuter than tying it around your waist.
And it looks like a cape. You're not going to edit that part out.
But so that is this week's Fashion Friday. Have a wonderful weekend and rest of your weekend. Yeah. Wear cardigans. I will edit this part out.
Why? It's so